Alright, EDS is a pretty easy system to set up. For a HyperMarQ to set it up with EDS, all you have to do is, you know, if you're using a fresh um, setup of EDS, it's pretty straightforward. They already have a sample entry set up for you already. Very minor things you have to do to it. Um, Only thing is, you know, direct where your programs are at. HyperMarQ, you gotta locate it and direct it where the exe is at. So mine's in my Hyperspin folder, so navigating to it's pretty easy. Um, just all you have to do is make sure all your HyperMarQ programs are pretty much piped CLI. Make sure the CBR is unchecked and everything is set up right there. For the video one, um, we are going to have to put a new entry in. Um, so you're gonna click Add Application. You're gonna click um, where your HyperMarQ folder is at and where your exe for it. So you're gonna select that. It's gonna be appear as your HyperMarQ label. You want to select your IPC method as pipe CLI. You want to change your event um, wildcard into your false main dash marq underscore artwork dash video. We're just making reference to the config file that we made earlier for your video file. Simple thing I did was just copy over um, the label from the sample from above and make sure you have a false in front. The false is used as debugging log for HyperMarQ. So setting it to false helps it run better in a sense. But if you need to figure out errors and everything, set it to true. To finish it off, we're gonna match it with the name that we used as the example earlier. So we're gonna put a dash video in it. Okay. So next thing, you need to put your entry for your pipe ID. It has to match the config file name label. So earlier, the example was main dash marq underscore artwork dash video. Okay. Any of the event filters, you can leave it alone unless you feel comfortable about playing with different event triggers. If you need to limit how the program functions and you only want to open it with a certain system, you just type the name of the program and it will only open with that system. Alright? If you want to test out if it works, what you want to do is, you know, use a game example. Any game will do as long as it has a video. 1943 is fine. I'm using that. And we know the main system, so we'll use that. All you have to do is click try on its column, and it should appear up, and the video should play just like it appeared in front of us. All right, if you have any questions, just post on the forums, and I'll gladly help you out. All right, take care. Bye.